Patterns in nature are visible regularities in form of the natural world. Natural patterns include symmetries on trees, spirals. Patterns include symmetries in meanders, waveforms, tessellations, cracks, and stripes. If we are going to observe two things with the same type of matter, molecular patterns would be the same on matters such as solid, liquids, and more likely the gases.
Goto, Leonardo Fibonacci introduced the Fibonacci number sequence. It turns out that simple equations involve the Fibonacci numbers can describe most of the complex spiral growth patterns found in nature.
Here are some of my friends, and they would explain the natural patterns seen in the things of nature.
The number of petals is strictly consistent with the Fibonacci sequence. An example is this flower. This flower has 3 petals. And another example is the buttercup, which has 5 petals, the chicory, which has 21 petals, and the daisy, which has 35.
P appears in petals of a count of ideal packing arrangement, as selected by Darwinian process. Each petal is placed at 0.618 per turn out of 360-degree circle, allowing for the best possible exposure to the sunlight and other factors.
There are so many reasons why understanding patterns in nature is important. In fact, mathematicians have been able to create equations using spiral patterns that explain why the world works the way it does. People have built cities and created arts based on the patterns they see. We have used patterns like the alphabet and sign language to help us communicate with one another. But since our world is always changing, so do patterns. Next time we go outside, look around. What are some of the patterns that you see?
Thank you for watching our short informative video.